Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a koala crate, and I'm excited to get into this crate and to see what activities we have in store for us this month. So if you're new to my channel, I created this channel as a homeschooling resource to do unboxings like we're doing today, to give you curriculum ideas, organizational ideas, and ways to invite Christ into your homeschool space. So if you're interested in those things, please hit that subscribe button and let's open this crate. Okay, so this month the koala crate is farm, which just sounds super fun. It says make your own vegetable matching game, animal finger puppets, and a barn tote. Who doesn't want a barn tote, guys? Like, that could be a new fashion trend. So when we open it up, this is what it looks like in there. So that looks super fun. This is our little barn tote. It's so cute. So these are our instructions, I believe. Yep, and then they fold out like this, and they have our different activities. They also usually tell us how hard it is or how messy right here, just how much parent involvement is needed. And then we have our little Imagine book with some fun little activities in it. And there's a little maze. For a second, I was like, what is this called? I don't remember. And so a little story, and then veggie stamps. Oh, there you go. So you can cut some different vegetables and make stamps out of them. And then in here, we have this cute little bin has a whole bunch of stuff in it. So we have a whole bunch of stickers, it looks like, kind of the felt stickers right there. Oh, maybe this is, didn't it say a game about, there's a vegetable matching game. Oh, animal finger puppets. I bet that's what these are. And then we have some pipe cleaners that are green and a whole bunch of beads right here. And then there's some Velcro and some eyeballs in this bag. And then this, I don't know what this is used for, maybe for the vegetables. It has like foam in the bottom that you can push through and it looks like it will hold something in there. So it'll be interesting to see what we're gonna use that for. And then this might be the handle for our barn tote. And then this is our barn tote. I just think it's cute that they call it a barn tote instead of like a, I don't know what you call it, like a little shelter. I'm not doing much better here. I'm just thinking like a dollhouse, you know, that's what, like a barn house. That's what it's making me think of, not a tote. So we have that. And then we have some stickers right here. And so maybe these will be used for our vegetable garden. And that's what's in this crate. So it seems like a lot of fun. I think the tote is gonna be a blast. My daughter loves purses, like loves them so much. I am not a purse person at all. Like I have one bag that I take around, but that's it. And so she loves them. And she always looks so elegant walking around with her purses, and I don't know where she gets it from. So she's gonna love carrying around this barn. But I'm gonna let her get at it, and we were gonna let you know how it goes. Okay, so Lydia finished doing the koala crate and she had a lot of fun. Did you have a fun time?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you ready to show them what you made? Okay, here it is. It's a barn. That's it. That's all there was. Was that it? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, you're gonna show us how it opens. So the top opens and her other crafts are in here. They don't have to go in here, but they fit in here if you wanna put them in there. So she made finger puppets. You wanna show all the finger puppets first? Oh, she's showing you her vegetable garden. We'll get to the vegetables in a minute. Here, do you want to hold up all the puppets? Mm-hmm. There we go.
On my fingers.
On your fingers? Mm-hmm. Okay, you gonna put one on your finger? Mm-hmm. I have a cow on my finger. Can you put it on? And then we had a chicken right here. And then we have, wait, do I have the horse? You have the cow. And then the pig, okay? And so these already came together, the base of it did, and then it just had stickers that she could put on. which is fairly simple because the pictures, they have pictures in here of what all of them can look like. So let's see, oh yes. So right here, down at the bottom, there's pictures of how all of them should look. So it's pretty easy for them. I still helped her just because some of the pieces look a little similar when they're all on the little sticky pad. So I helped her figure out which ones were which. And then she also made a vegetable garden. So do you want to hold up your vegetable garden? Here we go. Here it is. So she got to put some stickers on the box, which are coming off. We did this several days ago, but just haven't had a chance to film it until now. But so the stickers aren't sticking the best, but in here we have all of our vegetables. Do you want to pull some of the vegetables out? Yeah. So we have a turnip, and then these ones are potatoes with the little beads on them. Oh, more potatoes. And then what was that one supposed to be? Do you remember? Let's see what it said. Oh, radishes. And then we have carrots. Yep. Okay, so I thought this was pretty cool the way they did this. They have beads and pipe cleaner. So this is our carrot, radish, a turnip. Are you gonna plant them again? And then our potatoes were a little bit different. They had 3 beads at the bottom. And so she's gonna plant them all back for us. But I really liked, can I keep one to show them? I really liked how it was very easy for her to do this for the most part. So she put the little beads in the middle, down here at the bottom, and then these beads go over both strings. So a few of the beads were a little bit harder because they're smaller. The holes are not quite as big in the middle. So some of them were a little bit harder for her to get this through, but it really helped a lot for her to work on her fine motor skills. So I loved that aspect of it. It's just this cute little garden. If you don't want them to fall through, let me pull them all up. You have to leave the little green beads at the top. Otherwise they'll just fall out the bottom. Oh, she's pushing our camera out of the way. Oh, and then something else that's cool, this barn unfolds all the way. So the barn was fairly simple. It just is Velcro. So it had little dots and she put the Velcro on, but then it undoes all the way. She's trying to put stuff together for us. Okay, Liddy, sit back so we don't hit the table because we don't want to push the camera off. So if you open this all the way, then it can also be this little board that they play on. So if I can open this enough for you to see. And then it has a little garden over here as well. So it says you can put your puppets on here for your little puppet show. You could just use it for whatever, for any other little toys that you have. And you could use it as a little board. And then it folds back up into your barn and you can put all your stuff in it. So I thought this was a lot of fun. On here for the little parent directions, it said, you know, limited messiness, which is very true, and kind of medium help all the way through. None of this stuff was super hard for her to do. She still needed a little help, but it wasn't, most of it she could still do by herself, whereas some of the projects, I have to do most of it and she helps a little bit. So I thought this was a lot of fun, huh? Are you excited to carry your barn around and have it be your little purse? Yeah. So if you enjoy seeing these kind of videos, please give us a thumbs up and we will see you next time.